Hello, my students of class 7 standard. Today I have planned to do workbook. Okay, this is your workbook, chapter number 3, A Hilarious Voyage. I think we have done chapter number 1 and 2, and we have done all the exercises. Okay, now we will do chapter number 3, A Hilarious Voyage. Now, let me talk. What do you mean by hilarious? Hilarious means something very bad. Okay, voyage means journey. So this story, it is about a very bad journey. कुछ ऐसा जर्नी में हुआ था वो जो बहुत बुरा था. It was very bad. Okay, I'll explain in total English. Try to catch up my class. And this has been written by Saki. You remember Saki has written one more chapter which we have read. Chapter number 1, literature, dusk. Good. Next one, I will tell you the summary of the first paragraph. Now, it is about a train carriage, and in that train carriage, four characters were sitting. Who were that four characters? One aunt, her three children, okay, one boy, two girl, and one more stranger. Okay, so one aunt, one boy, two girls and one stranger. They were sitting in one compartment. And they were just going somewhere. And this is from the place Temple Core. Okay, they were heading towards Temple Core. Temple Core is Temple Com. It's the name of a place. Okay, I told you about the character. Here names are not mentioned here. One auntie, one boy, two girls. So total how many children? Three children, three kids, one aunt and one stranger. When I will send you the pics of the chapter, I have written the hard words meaning. When you will read, you will not find any difficulty. So the story goes like this. Now the story is being narrated by the stranger who was traveling along with aunt and the three kids. Stranger found out that the three children were not in a well-behaved manner. They were very notorious. They were very naughty. They were throwing cushions at each other. They were going here and there. And aunt was very pissed off. Pissed off means she was very disturbed by their behavior. And again they were asking some or the other questions. Like when aunt told them to look at outside the window, one of the boys started asking, what is so great outside the window? Why ships are grazing here, and why half ships are going there? So aunt was finding very difficult to answer them, but the poor thing, she was managing. She wants to manage well, and she wants to answer all their silly or the foolish questions. Okay, as kids they go on asking very foolish and silly questions, but as elder we need to answer them to satisfy their questions. Okay, now come to this. Next, what happened, students? Now this the child moved reluctantly to the window. मतलब कि जबरदस्ती, forcefully. Why are those ships being driven out of that field? He asked. So out of the window, that boy, he saw that some of the men, they were graze. They were just behind the ships, and with the stick they were beating the ships or showing the direction to go in other fields. So this boy got a doubt that why that the person is asking them to go into other field. In this field also grasses are there and all that. So they started asking their aunt. Okay, now, but there is lot of grass in the field. But aunt told ki beta, they are going in that field because the better quality of grass they may find in that field, not in this field. Then he told that the auntie, that grass is grass. Here we can see the lush green grass. So why they are going this and that? So who knows the mood of the ship? Okay, students, like that. Next one, perhaps means शायद. जो हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना शायद. In English we say as perhaps. Perhaps the grass in the other field is better, suggested the aunt flautously. What is that? Flautously. Fatuously means foolishly. Like that. They were asking, this answer, silly answers, silly questions. She was also giving silly and foolish answers what to do. Why is it better? Came the Swift. Again, one more character came. Why is it better? Why the quality of grass is not better here? Why the quality of grass is better there? Auntie was keeping, hand on her head, and she was thinking, oh, as if I made the grass. Why they're asking me all this? And the poor strangers were watching them. He was not able to concentrate on his own novel which he purchased to read. It is not written here, but I have read about that article. Okay. Next one, after some time, aunt also got very frustrated and pissed off. ये पूरा paragraph I'm telling you summary. Then aunt she thought that okay, let me to do, and she came to know that this poor stranger is suffering because of these three kids. They are very naughty. They are not listening to me. They are moving here and there. Now let me. I should do something so that I can attract their attention, and they will come towards me, and the stranger will at least peacefully he can travel from till the next stop. So she told, kids, come, I have a very good story to tell you all. I will tell you one story. And they started hearing the story. And when they started hearing the story, they were not that much satisfied with their poor aunt's story, and they were feeling very bored. And as soon as she started telling the story, out of the story, they started asking million questions. Then this person couldn't tolerate more. So what he did, he started calling the kids and started telling them story about one girl. Actually, that girl name is Bertha. Bertha. It's not mentioned here. This chapter is actually half chapter. It is been extracted. So you can see an extract from the storyteller by Saki. एक टुकड़ा है. This is one piece from the this entire story. So that only I'm telling you. So the stranger told, okay, come, kids. I will tell you one very good story here. I will tell you one story about princess and how she's, and she was so good that even bull of the city was not able to damage her. The prince liked her. Everybody liked her. And they were asking, okay, what she used to do, why people used to like her. Then he started saying because she used to talk less, she was very disciplined, she was this and she was that. So that he started doing, and here the chapter got over. I hope you have understood the chapter, guys. So this is a workbook chapter number 3, a hilarious voyage. Okay, a bad journey for the stranger, of course, and of course we can say sympathetically with full sympathy for the aunt as well. One aunt, one boy, two girls, and one stranger. Thank you.